Oh my God, my wife's gonna hate that. Okay. This is on, and this is on. Oh, look at that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do like Kelso. Just like Kelso, you know I love Kelso. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, you ready? Ready? We're gonna do like Kelso. One more time. Whew. Shit. I screwed that one up. Okay, here we go. Okay, you know what? I keep doing the same thing. Hang on. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing wrong. Ugh, I know what I'm doing wrong. Here we go. Here we go. Back upside down. That's awesome. Off. Look, that's a bunch of steps. I am not doing that 3 times. So I'm going down there. I'm gonna go get my drone. The wife is really gonna hate this. Oh my God. This is a sipper. Just go into the refrigerator real quick and just grab it and just like, That's all I need for the next hour. Just that little, It's like sweet ginger spice. Sweet, tarty, gingery. I like this. Oh my God, I really like this. That's really the end of this video here. I'm just gonna sit here and sip this. A little bit at a time.